Hi everyone, my name is Haley Morgan and I will be presenting my PowerPoint on why the Earth is the habitable planet. So the Earth has a lot of necessities that it needs to keep the Earth functioning, and it helps sustain our human life. And these factors include liquid water, oxygen, protection from solar wind, sunlight, soil, carbon dioxide, protection from the sun's rays, and the atmosphere. So our Earth contains each one of these unique and needed necessities to keep the living Earth successful, and these factors are what makes Earth Earth. And so I like to kind of think of the factors as a domino effect because each one affects the other and kind of goes into the other and makes it what it is. So Earth's atmosphere expanded. So as stated before, the Earth's atmosphere is one of the key factors to maintaining life on Earth. The Earth's atmosphere contains oxygen and carbon dioxide, which are crucial necessities as we talked about. This atmosphere is the key to keeping us alive from the sun's killer UV rays and harmful solar winds. The Earth has this atmosphere because of its mass and temperature. The atmosphere, as we learned about it back in meteorology, is complex and has many different parts and temperatures to it. So these atmosphere layers are the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. And each one has a different distance that it goes, and each one has a different temperature as well. So other crucial keys, as we know, what is on this Earth is part of the reason that we are able to live on this planet. But even with all of these things, if these key factors were not the way they are today, we would not be able to be here. Therefore, besides being the planet keys, here are some major crucial factors as to how Earth is habitable. And these are factors that we do not control. So mass, position from the sun, and Earth's magnetic field are what keeps this planet sustainable and capable of containing human lives. And all of this happens outside of our Earth. So crucial keys expanded. The mass is what gives the Earth temperature, and the mass gives the Earth a gravitational pull on molecules. Temperature affects the molecules that could potentially escape the Earth. The other key is position from the sun. So our Earth is close enough to the sun that we're warm, but our water is still liquid and not ice so that we can drink it. Because if we didn't have drinking water, there would be no way that there would be life on Earth. And not to say there isn't frozen ice, but the way the sun is positioned is probably the number one factor, I would say, that the Earth is able to be as successful as it is with containing human life. And lastly, our magnetic field protects our planets from solar wind. Our Earth shields us from the solar wind and solar storms. If we were to be unshielded like a lot of the other planets, we would not be able to live on this Earth. The magnetic field also contributes to Earth being able to keep this atmosphere that we have. So like I stated before, the domino effect, this is a perfect example. Our magnetic field is what keeps our atmosphere and all of the layers in order and keeps it present here, because if we didn't have that atmosphere and didn't have all of these factors that I've stated, our Earth would not be able to be habitable. And that is what makes our Earth the habitable planet.